Hello friends, this is Arun Sharma from supertraderacademy.com. I am a strong believer in systems and system-based methods. I will give you a demonstration of my mutual fund timing system that can help you to time your investments in stock market. This is based on mathematical rules. This allows us to time our entry in stock markets for investing. It also helps us to avoid market crash. The system gives you clear buy and exit indication so we can invest or withdraw money from stock market. This is the dashboard of our mutual fund timing system Excel sheet. We have a raw data page where we can enter the NAV information or the net asset value information every day. NAV information is like share price for the mutual fund. Here you can see we have added NAV information on everyday basis. It takes less than 2 minutes to enter this information. You need to do it once every day as per your convenience. This is the calculator sheet. This calculates and directs us to act as per the conditions in the market. As you can see, we can get buy, exit or stay out indication from this Excel sheet. The dashboard shows the performance of the system. At present, we have 12 years of NAV data for HDFC Mutual Fund in this Excel sheet. You can also change the NAV data to a different mutual fund. This is done at the click of this button and the rest is handled by a macro. I have tested this system on many mutual funds and found it to be profitable. Let's look at the performance of the mutual fund timing system. We had invested 10 lakhs in this at the beginning. Now it has grown to above 71 lakhs. This is in 12 years. It is important to note that there is no money added after the initial lump sum investment of 10 lakhs. Hence, it is not systematic investment plan or SIP. We have grown our investments at a compounded rate of 17.5% as per the system. I would like to highlight that this growth is after calculating taxes. The sheet calculates taxes that are due and deducts the amount from the capital directly. We have taken 17 transactions in 12 years. That is only 1 or 2 transactions every year. That is investing or exiting the market only once or twice in a year. Now the important question is, how is it better than the buy and hold strategy the mutual fund or your bank relationship manager advises? For this, we need to look at what the system did when the market crashed in 2008. On 21st January 2008, the system exited the market completely and stayed out of the market for the entire 2008. It reinvested only in 2009 when the market conditions improved, and that too at much lower level. Hence, it exited the market and reinvested money when the market was at much lower level. Investors saw losses of more than 60% in 2008, but our mutual fund timing system was never down more than 15%. So in short, we reduced the downside while benefiting from the upside. Why is this important? Let's do a thought experiment. Suppose you're planning your daughter's marriage. You plan to use your stock investment for the same. But for some reason, the market is having a crash like what we saw in 2008. Now you're told that your investments have lost more than 60% and encashing money now will result in big loss. What can you do? But with our mutual fund timing system, we exit the market and get into cash when the market begins to go down. Hence, we have better control of our funds. We reinvest the money when the market conditions improve as indicated by the system. This graph shows the capital growth in our system. If you like what you see, join my course on mutual fund timing system. All details of the process are part of this course. You will also get lifetime license of this Excel sheet along with the training on how to use it. Thank you.